So guys, as you know, I have created full 5-part tutorial on how you can create a professional URL Shortener website. And for this video, you can channel subscribe our other channel also. For this video, I have used a cPanel web hosting, site country web hosting, which is a cPanel based web hosting. And mostly there are so many like providers that provide cPanel web hosting, but there is an exception like Hostinger. Hostinger provide Hpanel, which is a custom version of cPanel, and there is so much problem with how you install a PHP script in the Hpanel because there is a extract issue, then the domain directory issue, and so I got comments about how you can install the PHP script or AdLinkFly PHP script in Hostinger, create a video, blah blah blah. Okay, I got so many comments. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the PHP AdlinkFly script in Hostinger Hpanel. I will show you how you can install the PHP. Without wasting time, let's begin. And before that, make sure to subscribe and let's begin. So as you know, first of all, you have to like purchase the Hostinger web hosting, and if you have hosting, you have to purchase the materials like the themes and the AdlinkFly script. For that, you can visit hypestore.com. That's our store. You can buy anything related to AdlinkFly, like AdlinkFly's like Hypespace theme, black theme, a pink theme. We have so many themes here, and more themes are coming soon. Okay, let me log into my dashboard. We can directly log into our file manager, database, and WordPress dashboard section. And if we can see, let me just open the domain. So as you can see, there is a WordPress installed in our domain, and before installing the PHP script, we have to delete this WordPress. So let's go to the dashboard. Then here in the top, you can see switch to old dashboard. Simply click this and it will open this old dashboard, like old Hostinger dashboard. Okay, now you have to go to the down and auto installer. Simply click the auto installer, and here we can uninstall the WordPress installed. Simply, as you can see, there is our domain, and in the three dots you have to click and simply delete this. Okay, now delete application, delete installation file, delete database. Okay, simply click everything and just delete the WordPress install, and it will take around 5 to 6 seconds. Just wait and let's see. After that, we have to upload. Now we have to check our domain. As you can see, there is no WordPress right now. WordPress is successfully deleted, and let's go to dashboard section. And now let's start the AdlinkFly installation process by going to the file manager, then extract to the same domain which we are going to install the URL Shortener script. Now open the file manager. It will open the public HTML directory. Here you can see, and these are the old files. We have to delete this all. Simply Control A and select all file and right click on delete. Okay, simply delete these files. Now we have to upload our own AdlinkFly URL Shortener script, which we have downloaded from Hypestore. Okay, you can go to the Hypestore and purchase this, and you will get this file adlinkfly.zip. Simply we have to upload this to our public HTML directory. Simply click on upload, select file, and select that AdlinkFly zip file over here, and simply select this file, and it will upload to our public HTML directory, and we have to unarchive it or unzip it. Okay, simply right click on and then simply unarchive and use any name. I am using simply A, and simply extract this file. So all file will be extracted inside the A folder. Okay, we have to go to the A folder, then AdlinkFly, and we have to select all these files and move it to our public HTML directory. Simply select the public HTML directory over here and over here, and now we have to just move it. Okay, simply as you can see, all files have been moved into our public HTML directory. Now we can just delete the A file because there is nothing inside that folder. Simply delete this folder and delete the zip file also, because it's for security reason. Delete this zip file. Now if we reload our old website, it will show the installation page. Now we can start the AdlinkFly script installation process. The process is so simple. Just you have to create a database and paste the database details. Okay, simply click on install button, then it will ask for your database details. Simply go to the Hpanel, then dashboard, then go to SQL databases, then simply MySQL databases. Simply click here, and you have to create a database. You can use any name, username, password. Simply create any database name. I have given the domain name, so I can recognize it quickly, and password also. You have to give a password. Simply choose any password and simply click on the create button. Okay, simply click on the create button. In 2 minutes it will create our database. Okay, simply create database, and as you can see, database created successfully. And now we have to copy the database details like database name, database username, password, these like all names to our the installation page, and we have to submit it. Okay, then after pasting everything, simply click on submit button. It will like show the build database option. Simply click it, and now we have just have to create the final create admin user. Okay, this is for the our admin user of our regular Shortener. You can create any admin user. Simply create on this like this, and password, give a password, then save button. Now the installation process has been successful. Now as you can see, there is two options: go to the home page and go to the dashboard. Okay, you can access to the dashboard directly, but let's see the home page how it's look. So as you can see, this is the AdlinkFly cloud theme. Okay, this is our Shortener homepage, and now let's go to the dashboard and activate this license. Okay, activate with our Hypestore AdlinkFly license. Simply go to the admin panel, and you can see personal token and purchase code. You have got this Hypestore after downloading the script. Okay, simply go to the license file. Okay, and copy this. Now let me just quickly copy this license file token number into our AdlinkFly script and paste it. Okay, so as you can see, I have copied it, and now after pasting this, simply click on the submit button. Simply click the submit button, and your license has been verified, it says. Okay, so this is the complete installation process of AdlinkFly PHP script. We have successfully installed it. Now we can rename it also. So go to the setting and general setting, and you can see site name, site like SEO titles. Yes, okay, you can change this. Okay, you can change your own. You can give any name. Now simply click on save button. It will save everything, and now we open the home page. You can see that the name has been changed AdlinkFly to the Shortify, and we can short any links also. I can give you an example of shorting links. Simply let me just short any google.com link. Let me just paste google.com and simply click on this arrow button, and it will generate our short link. Simply go to the open link, and you can see the countdown is starting off 5 4 3 2 1, and we will get the please wait and get link button. After clicking the get link button, it will redirect to our the original link. This is the same basic AdlinkFly installation process. In the next video, I will tell you how you can install the AdlinkFly theme. Okay.